Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the CORSAIR Premium 600W PCIe 5.0 12 VHPWR PSU cable. A must-have for anyone looking to power the latest PCIe 5.0 graphics cards with ease and reliability. This cable is designed to connect seamlessly to your CORSAIR Type-4 PSU models, including the RMx SHIFT, RMx SHIFT White, RMe, HXI, SF, and sulfur monofluoride L series, using dual 8-pin Type-4 connectors for straightforward installation and improved cable management. With its high-quality construction, this cable features a flexible triple-layer mesh paracord sleeving, ensuring durability and high performance. Safety is a top priority, as the cable is built with premium materials to prevent overheating and reduce the risk of damage, providing a secure and reliable power supply. Say goodbye to the hassle of using a 12+ 4-pin adapter, as this cable delivers power directly from your PSU to your graphics card. Its sleek black design not only looks great but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your build. Upgrade your setup with the CORSAIR Premium 600W PCIe 5.0 12 VHPWR PSU cable and experience the perfect blend of functionality and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.